Hello everyone. Today I want to share some of the most interesting things I learned in food science this semester. Before taking this class, I thought food was just something we ate every day, but I learned that there's a lot of science behind how food is made and prepared. One important term I learned about this year is fermentation. It's a process where microorganisms like yeast or bacteria break down sugars to produce new substances such as carbon dioxide, alcohol, or acids. Fermentation is used to make foods like bread, yogurt, cheese, and chocolate. It helps create unique flavors and textures while also preserving food. Another term is the Maillard reaction. It is a chemical reaction between sugars and proteins that creates the brown color, flavor, and aroma in baked or cooked goods. This reaction is why bread, crust, cookies, and grilled meats have such rich flavors and golden brown colors. In the cakes and cookies chapter, I learned about creaming, which is the process of beating butter and sugar together to trap air bubbles. Those air bubbles help cakes and cookies become lighter and softer after baking. Another baking term I learned is leavening agent, which is an ingredient that produces gas to make baked goods rise. Examples of leavening agents are baking powder, baking soda, and yeast. And without them, cakes and cookies would be dense instead of light and fluffy. The last term I learned about that I think was pretty new to me was gluten, which is a protein formed when glutenin and gliadin combine with water and wheat flour. Gluten gives dough its elasticity and strength, allowing bread to trap carbon dioxide from yeast so it can rise properly. Overall, I learned a lot in this class. I feel like it helped me understand that food science is much more than just cooking. Every ingredient has a purpose, and every step in preparing food involves chemistry, biology, or even physics. Learning about fermentation, the Maillard reaction, and all these other things help me better understand why foods look, taste, and feel the way they do. I'll definitely think about food science every time I cook in the future and every time I bake.